Right, so when you work with this, you want to make sure you have a good pair of tongs. They can be metal ones. Some of your parents might grill meat on the grill. And you also, if you have an electric kettle, it works really well. Why would having hot water work better with dry ice than cold water?
Because the heat will make it kind of
You're on the right idea. So it helps to sublimate it more. Yeah, sublimation occurs faster because you're giving more heat energy quicker to the dry ice. Like you can see this even when I put my breath on it. So I'll take a piece out, and your breath comes out at like what, 90-some degrees? Because you're 90-some degrees inside. Depends on where you're at in the body. So like you can see it's sublimating some, but why did it breathe out?
Oh, that's melted.
Right?
You can make a
it's not melted. It's not melting. It's evaporating. Yeah, it's evaporating off. Okay, so the first one I'm going to do, just real simple, I'm going to put some dry ice into. Now, do you remember how we talked about these liquids having a density to them? And these are two separate liquids. This is less dense, more dense, and the beads are somewhere in between. So things separate according to density. The carbon dioxide that you breathe out of your mouth is more dense than the surrounding air. I'll save that. So when I pour boiling hot water in here, oh no. Okay, now watch this. It pours. Because, right, it's more dense than the surrounding air. Now watch this. I'm going to fill this cauldron. Omar, just down a little further. I'm pouring this gas. People don't think the gas is pour. They totally do. This is more dense than the surrounding air, so it pours. And because it's more dense, as long as I move it carefully, I now have a bowl full of carbon dioxide, right? I don't want any more. Watch this.
Give it to the trees. Let it go.
Excuse me. Question, yes?
What? Is it a gas that acts like a liquid?
Well, no, all gases pour. The reason why we don't think of gases pouring is because, one, we can't see them. And two, sometimes they're lighter than the surrounding air, so they just escape. So ready? See, it's still in there. Just poured it out. So gases pour just like a liquid. Add some soap to it. Now, what do you think the soap's going to do when I add it to the solution of boiling water and carbon dioxide? Yeah.
The bubbles will form.
Bubbles will form. And bubbles are going to trap the gas. Now, everybody will get a little bit of this. I'll come and pour it out on you. You'll get a bunch of bubbles with trapped carbon dioxide. Now, you can pop them individually or smack them, and you'll see the gas come out. Just remember, it's boiling water, so it's going to be a little warm. Don't freak out. You won't get burned, but it will be a little warm. Okay, so listen up. To do this, you pour your hot water in there and get the process going. And then you add just a couple of drops, and you don't need much. It's going to happen quick. Here we go. Oh! There we go.
Oh, this is so
I want that bubble.
All right, so in this next one, you want to make sure that you have a bowl. You don't want it to be too wide up at the top, but a bowl. I put some light sticks in there just for fun, or glow sticks. You also want a thin piece, about 1 inch wide and about, I'd say, 1.5 to 2 feet long. Piece of fabric or a cloth that you can just cut from a towel. And then inside you want to have some water, some dish soap. I like Dawn, it works really well. And then you want some glycerin. Now, if you don't have glycerin, it will totally work with Dawn by itself. Glycerin just gives the bubbles more strength so they don't pop so quickly. So we'll put a little of that vegetable glycerin in there because it's so weird. When you guys buy the bubble solutions, those kids that make bubbles, all that is like soap and glycerin and water. So, all right, so I get that all nice and stirred around. Now what we're going to do is I'm going to put hot water in here. I don't want to get any soap near the inside or else it'll start creating bubbles. And I want this really nice and soapy. And I want a big old chunk of dry ice.
A big one.
Big chunk. Big chunk. Okay. Now watch what happens. We'll see if I can do this on the first try, but we'll go.
What about the glow sticks?
Well, let's add ambiance. Okay.
But there are no glow sticks there.
Now you take it and you're going to rub it across the top. Sometimes you have to do it more than once. Sit down. Oh, I did it first try.
Whoa!
Right. This gets crazy cool.
I've seen that before.
Me too.
Like third grade, we saw that. Butler did that.
You made
Oh my gosh.
it's hula hooping.
Whoa!
Butler did that.
And 3, 2, 1.
Whoa!
Okay, turn off the lights and see if it looks cool in the dark.
Ow!
Oh, so it's like glow in the dark?
You can literally play with this for hours. It's that much
Right.
fun.
There's a ghost
Nice. Hit the bottom of the button. Bottom of the button. And then give it a second. These new lights are so not cool.
I know.
Whoa!
It's like a balloon being filled with
Right?
helium.
Isn't that cool?
Make it.
It's the green balloon. Can you make it spin?
It's
Yeah.
too. The green
It's a green monster.
It's
There we go.
balloon.
Come on.
Three.
Ah.
I think you hit it. Okay.